one-handed. Yeah. We're headed to the rock pools on the waterfall. What's it called, Troy? Springbrook?
Springbrook.
Springbrook Waterfalls.
National Park.
National Park.
I don't know what it's called, but Springbrook something.
Apparently it's supposed to be good, so we're going to check it out. Swim in some rivers.
Ese negro y largo mar de tus cabellos, me acunaré en ese cielo inmenso que es tu suspirar. Mi corazón embriagará tu dulce voz con mil palabras. Duerme ya la luna, tú eres el lucero, la estrella de un cielo que me guiará.
We've made it. Look, this guy's already got himself a stick.
He's already on the wall.
I need to find myself one. Walk the Purling Brooks Waterfall Circuit. Hold on.
Not bad at all. This is a lookout. Yeah, here.
Purely Brook Falls. 4 kilometers. 4 kilometers away. I got one. I got a stick. Worry about yourself, bro. I don't know why you're so worried. I don't know why you're so worried about me. I'm fine.
Worried. I'm just trying to take care of you, bro. I'm gonna be the one carrying you back when you get bit by a blue tongue lizard, buddy.
I fucked a lizard with my cock, mate.
The boys are bickering.
That's what I'll do.
Black snake. Have you ever seen one of these?
Yeah, I fucked a black snake. I've got one in my pants, bro. I've got one over here as well. Hey, pick up the pace, Tumbi. I'm gonna fucking kick you in the head.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, bro. Pick up the pace.
Tumbi's fallen behind. He's now lost.
Count me in, count me in, count me in.
Ha! Yeah! What is it good for? Absolutely nothing, baby. Ooh. Ah! Yeah! What is it good for? Absolutely nothing. Sing it again! Ooh! Ah! Yeah! Hey, we're there yet? Ah!
Right in the start of the truck.
Ah! Hey, do you hear those monkeys? Where are they coming from? They gotta be somewhere around here.
Now, bro.
Bro, just... Oh, yeah. Wait, try it. Bro, these are insane. Proper vines. Vinyl rim. Oh, shit. Now we're going into the deep forest here. Ooh. Ha! Yeah. What is it good for? Absolutely nothing, baby. Ooh. Ha! Yeah. What is it good for? Absolutely nothing. Sing it again! Bamboo trees, bro. Very good wood. Oh my god, that looks sick. Look at it. All the way from the top. After a long hike. It's a cold day, and we didn't even bring towels, did we? This is the stick camp. Come here. Yeah, see if it's deep. Woo! Deep? Alright, that should be good. Tell me when, Tumbi. Hey, Tumbi, do you want to come? Looks like we're gonna have to go to the boys. They went all the way to the waterfall. Shit! I just did that shit with one hand on that river. That's got a big current as well. That is massive. That is massive. Oh, Oh, no. Yeah, I got it. That's right. Hey mom, yeah. I should be alright. Fuck. I just slipped. Fucking just died. Is there any cuts or something? I think it's just here.
You just got bruising. Like your couple of scrapes. You gonna take a photo of you there?
Yeah, just.
How do you do it?
It's recording, so just.
Oh, okay. Hold it there. Oh, that's me. That's me. You know more than that. You ready, mate?
Do you know how much that fucking hurt?
It looked like it was so painful. It was so painful.
Do you know how hard that rock is, bro?
Yeah. You're right. So right?
I thought I broke a bone straight away. That shit killed, bro. It's so much, bro. I saved my head, I was going head first and I moved from my hand there.
Oh, bro. So fucking slippery, bro. Yeah.
I want to watch that back on the GoPro. I was filming the whole thing. Doing this one-handed.
Yeah. Okay, give it to me now.
And then just throw it there.
Yeah.
Oh no, please! Oh, fuck!
Holy fuck, you right?
Yeah. Bro, just fucking sit on that, bro. Don't even try to stand on it. You'll get shot.
I
don't know what that is, bro. It's a fucking death trap. I almost hit my head on the corner there, bro. You know how fucking... Thank God, bro, honestly.
What do you? We're on. Alright, boys.
Alright, boys, we're on. We're in the depths of the forest. Depths of the fuck! Fuck! There's a hole there, bro. There's a hole there. This guy just pulled me out. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is a death trap. This is a fucking death trap. Oh, we made it. That was a huge fall from me. That was a huge fall. Nevertheless, we made it. Heading back. That was a sickening fall I just had before. That was so sickening. Thank fuck. It wasn't worse than it was. Could have smashed my head on the rock and that was it. Would have been finished. I can't sing right now, bro. I can't do it.
Oh yeah, I need a hot chocolate and a roulette table.
He's really onto something there.
I need a hot.
What'd you say, hot cock? What the fuck?
I'm gonna fucking beat you with this thing.
I just got fucking decked by a rock, bro, please. Just let me fucking live. I'm gonna rock up to work in a shoulder spleen.
I'm not rocking up to work, bro. I don't think I can work after this shit.
Cut down these bamboo trees. We'll make a hut. And we're not going back. How the fuck do you just pull a whole bottle out of that thing?
That's what
the hell?
Carrying, bro.
What a log, bro. What the hell? Another log. My mate's got a leg for a cock. Yeah, I'm the mate with the leg cock. That's me. Hey, I don't know how did you guys not slip on that rock?
Military age, buddy.
Fuck off, bro. We're back. Oh my god. Oh. Still alive. It's coffee time, eh? Let's go get a coffee. This is the shoulder that's fucked. We got a recovery coffee from that walk. We needed some fuel.
It's burning my mouth big time.
Is it?
It's making me worse.
I got iced coffee and a fucking this. Clean.